Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Bluetooth AUX adapter is probably one of the most versatile gadgets you can get for your car or home stereo system, allowing you to stream music wirelessly from your phone or tablet to any device with an auxiliary input. This little device can breathe new life into older sound systems, eliminating the need for messy wires and offering a seamless listening experience that's both convenient and modern. Imagine effortlessly playing your favorite playlists, podcasts, or audiobooks through your car's speakers or your home stereo without any complicated setup or compatibility issues. Number 5. COMSOON Bluetooth Receiver for Car. Transform your car or home stereo into a wireless music system. Simply pair it with your phone via Bluetooth 5.0 for a stable connection and enjoy your favorite tunes. Experience crystal clear calls thanks to advanced noise cancellation. It effectively eliminates echo and background noise, ensuring you can hear and be heard perfectly. Keep the music going with up to 16 hours of playback or talk time on a single charge. It also supports fast charging and can be used while charging for ultimate convenience. Stay focused on the road with hands-free calling and navigation support. Easily answer calls or get directions without taking your eyes off the road. Connect two devices simultaneously and never miss a beat or a call. It automatically reconnects to your last paired devices for seamless use. This device is designed to convert your existing wired headphones into wireless ones. Please note it cannot be paired with Bluetooth headphones directly. What we like. If you prioritize crystal clear calls even in noisy environments, this is the one for you. Its advanced noise reduction technology ensures your conversations are always clear. If you need a long-lasting battery that can keep up with your day and even be used while charging, consider this adapter. What people say. The Bluetooth adapter works great and has a good sound quality. It's very easy to set up and use, just plug and play. The compact design makes it easy to carry around and doesn't take up much space. Number 4. Anker Soundsync Bluetooth Receiver. Introducing the Anker Soundsync, your solution for effortless music streaming. It brings the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology to your existing audio devices. Easily stream music from your phone or tablet to your non-Bluetooth headphones or home stereo. Enjoy crystal clear audio wirelessly. With Bluetooth 5.0, you get an ultra-stable connection for uninterrupted listening. Plus, enjoy up to 12 hours of playtime on a single charge. Stay connected safely while driving. Plug it into your car stereo and answer calls directly through the receiver. This device allows you to connect two Bluetooth devices at the same time. Switch between listening to music and taking calls with ease. Simply connect via AUX to receive Bluetooth signals. It's designed to enhance your non-Bluetooth speakers and headphones. What we like. If you're looking for a straightforward and reliable way to stream music wirelessly to your car or home stereo, this is a great choice. It offers a stable Bluetooth 5.0 connection and the convenience of connecting two devices simultaneously. If you value simplicity and consistent performance, this adapter will serve you well. What people say. This adapter is a game changer for my old car. It connects seamlessly to my phone via Bluetooth and the audio quality is surprisingly clear. I can now stream music and take calls without any hassle. The compact design is also a plus, it doesn't get in the way. I was skeptical at first, but this little device works perfectly. It pairs instantly with my devices and the sound output is crisp and loud. It's a simple plug-and-play solution that really upgrades the audio experience in my car. Highly recommended for anyone looking to add Bluetooth to their car stereo. Number 3. Syncwire Bluetooth 5.4 FM Transmitter Car Adapter. Enjoy a delightful driving experience with our trendy ambient light design. You can easily turn off the light by double-pressing a button when not needed, giving you full control over your driving atmosphere. Experience a faster, more stable, and smarter connection with our latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology. It optimizes transmission and reduces connection defects, ensuring less sound quality loss and uninterrupted calls and music. Charge two devices simultaneously with our intelligent dual USB ports, offering PD36W and USB A12W. It ensures safe charging with built-in protections against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating. Enjoy an amazing hands-free calling experience thanks to a stable Bluetooth 5.4 connection and noise suppression technology. You can stream music via Bluetooth or a USB stick for clear, high-quality audio. Immerse yourself in powerful deep bass and immersive sound by simply pressing a button. The high-fidelity sound quality makes music more dynamic and pleasing to the ear. Once paired, it automatically reconnects to your device every time you start your car. Enjoy a stable, low-latency connection with clear, high-quality audio and minimal interference. What we like. If you want the latest Bluetooth technology for the most stable and fastest connection, this adapter is a top contender. It also doubles as a fast charger for two devices simultaneously, making it incredibly practical for long drives. If you appreciate enhanced audio with deep bass and customizable ambient lighting, this is the adapter for you. What people say. The Bluetooth adapter is compact and easy to use. Simply plug it into your car's AUX port and pair your device. Sound quality is surprisingly good for such a small device, with clear audio and no noticeable distortion. It supports hands-free calling, allowing you to answer calls directly from the adapter without picking up your phone. Number 2. Kinivo BTC450 Bluetooth Car Kit. Introducing the Kinivo BTC450, your ultimate hands-free car companion. Effortlessly answer and receive calls from any Bluetooth-enabled smartphone, ensuring you stay connected on the go. Stream your favorite music with unparalleled clarity. This device supports aptX for CD-quality audio, transforming your car into a concert hall. Just plug it into your car's 3.5mm audio input. Its built-in microphone and intuitive music controls make managing your audio and calls a breeze. Experience audio through your car stereo for both music playback and phone calls. It's designed for a smooth and integrated experience. We stand by our product with a 2-year warranty and dedicated US-based customer support. Enjoy your purchase with confidence. What we like. If audio quality is paramount and you want to experience near CD quality sound from your Bluetooth devices, this adapter is an excellent option. Its aptX support ensures minimal sound degradation. If you're concerned about potential ground loop noise in your car's audio system, the included isolator is a significant advantage. What people say. The Bluetooth to AUX adapter is a game changer for my old car stereo. It connects seamlessly and the sound quality is surprisingly good, almost like a wired connection. The compact design is also a plus, it doesn't stick out too much. I was skeptical at first, but this adapter really delivers. It paired with my phone in seconds and has a stable connection. The battery life is impressive too, lasting for several hours of continuous playback. It's a simple yet effective solution to upgrade any audio system with Bluetooth capability. Number 1. SONRU Bluetooth AUX Adapter for Car. Tired of your car's old audio system? This device brings the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology to your vehicle, allowing for seamless music streaming and hands-free calls. Stay connected safely while driving. You can easily answer, or reject calls, and even redial the last number, all without taking your hands off the wheel. Pair it with two devices simultaneously, like your phone and tablet. Enjoy a stable connection up to 33 feet away, perfect for both your car and home stereo systems. Featuring advanced Bluetooth 5.0, this adapter ensures a faster and more stable connection. Say goodbye to frustrating signal drops and enjoy uninterrupted audio. Keep the music going for hours on end. It offers an impressive 12.8 hours of playtime on a single charge, with a standby time of up to 250 hours. This compact receiver works with most Bluetooth-enabled devices, including smartphones, tablets, and MP3 players. It's the perfect solution for enhancing your listening experience. What we like. If you need a versatile receiver that can connect to both modern 3.5mm AUX inputs and older RCA systems, this adapter offers great flexibility. It's perfect for upgrading both car and home audio setups to wireless. If you're looking for a long playtime and broad device compatibility, this option is a solid choice. What people say. The adapter is compact and easy to use. Simply plug it into your car's AUX port and pair it with your phone via Bluetooth. It supports hands-free calling, allowing you to answer or make calls without taking your eyes off the road. The audio quality is surprisingly clear and crisp, with no noticeable distortion or lag, making your music sound great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.